Hey everyone and welcome, I'm Lexi with Tools420 and today I'll be doing a comparison between the V5 Nano by Flowermate and the AirVape X by Apollo. Both of these vaporizers are dry herb vaporizers that come with a hybrid heating system of conduction and convection. They also both have precise temperature control, so I thought it would be great because they can definitely go toe to toe. As I go through this review, you will see why, and they are both great vaporizers in their own way. So let's check out what comes with the AirVape X. You get one AirVape vaporizer. You get the X shell, very important and very cool. A micro USB charging cable. The cleaning brush. The wax tweezers, or tweezers for wax. They're not made out of wax. A dabber tool. The concentrates pad, very important because it adds to the versatility of this vaporizer. The mouthpiece screen. Very important, guys, the chamber screen. A warranty card. Now it does come with a lifetime limited warranty, which is pretty cool. And of course, the very handy instructions manual. Pretty cool, guys, because it shows you a little display even how to clean it, what the mouthpiece is made up of, everything you need to get started with your AirVape X. So now let me show you what comes with the V5 Nano. You get one V5 Nano vaporizing unit, the removable and storable glass mouthpiece, which basically goes right in here, guys. Pretty cool. Then you can just slide this over. Adds to the discreetness, I would say. Very easy to put back as well. This is great for quick sessions. The magnetic funnel. This guy's such a bonus. Makes loading your herbs so much easier. No mess all over the table or all over your vaporizer. The USB charging cable. It's micro USB. The cleaning brush. The dabber tool. The stainless steel pod for wax or oil. Now guys, do remember to put it lid size down, which is this way, into your chamber. The dry herb pod, which is great for microdosing or simply switching your strains in between sessions. Again, guys, lid facing down. You get the chamber screens, there's extra, and also the mouthpiece screens, which are extra. This also comes with a warranty card. And the instruction booklet that will guide you through step by step. So let's go ahead with the major differences between the two, the V5 Nano and the AirVape X. They both turn on differently. The V5 Nano is the standard 5 clicks, whereas the AirVape X is you click it 3 times. So let's go ahead. And then 1, 2, 3. Now, another difference here is that the AirVape X goes immediately to start heating up, whereas the Nano, you need to hold down the on button for 2 seconds until you see that arrow appear. Then it's going to start heating up to the last temperature used. Both screens are very nice. They have the on-screen display of the battery and the temperature. Another difference here is the AirVape X actually shows the counter time of the auto shut-off. They're both virtually have the same chamber size at a 0.5 gram capacity, and loading them up is very simple, and cleaning is easier with the AirVape X than the V5 Nano. So the Nano has already vibrated, which means it's ready for use, and as you can see right there, it comes with a little sign that has 3 little symbols that shows it's ready to use. The AirVape is still heating up. As you can see, the fan sign there is moving. When it becomes solid, it's ready to be used, and once it vibrates. So virtually, they both come with the haptic feedback. However, the AirVape only vibrates when it's ready and when it's about to be turned off, whereas the Flowermate vibrates when you turn it on, when it reaches the temperature, and when you turn it off. So let's take a look at turning it off. 5 clicks to turn off the V5 Nano, and 3 clicks for the AirVape X. See guys, very simple between the two. The V5 Nano also comes with 2 spare pods, one for oil wax and the other to microdose the amount of herb. Unlike the AirVape X that just has the concentrate pad, but if you use more wax with the AirVape X, you can use more wax with the AirVape X than you can with the V5 Nano. Charge times vary between the two. The V5 Nano takes just about 2 hours to charge, whereas the AirVape takes just about an hour. The battery, the V5 Nano is an 18650 milliamp battery, which lasts about 45 minutes depending on your sessions, whereas the AirVape takes just about an hour. And the battery that's included is a 13 milliamp battery. However, a very cool feature with the AirVape X is that you can actually charge it while using it. Most vapes don't have this feature. And another great thing is with the AirVape, you can actually charge it while using it, which I thought was a pretty cool feature. However, the V5 Nano actually comes with a rechargeable battery that's also removable. So if you just buy a spare battery, you're always ready to go, so there's no need to walk around with the USB charging cable. The mouthpiece is equally great on both of these. The V5 Nano comes with the glass mouthpiece that's removable and you can hide it underneath here, whereas the AirVape X comes with the shell. Then you can just place your vaporizer in here, making it smell-proof and waterproof for when you're carrying it with you, which is a great feature if you're always on the go and a little adventurous. The V5 Nano has the glass mouthpiece, whereas the AirVape X comes with the zirconium black ceramic mouthpiece. Equally, they both taste great for the vapor. However, I think the V5 Nano's mouthpiece adds to the smoothness because it is the glass. However, with the mouthpiece that's included with the AirVape X, it's a little bit more comfortable in between your lips because, as you can see, it's very thin. I would have to say that the AirVape X is way more portable than the V5 Nano simply because it comes with that shell. The shell makes it waterproof and smell-proof, so it's a little bit better in that category versus the V5 Nano. However, the V5 Nano is portable as well because you can remove that mouthpiece and hide it underneath. Therefore, no worrying about what may happen to your glass mouthpiece if you just throw it in one of your bags or in your back pocket. I would have to say the coolest feature of the V5 Nano is the funnel and the storable mouthpiece. You just don't see it with other vapes out there, so I think it puts it in a class of its own. The AirVape X's coolest feature would have to be the auto shut-off timer, which can change to 5 minutes from 3 minutes, which is the standard, and also the X shell, making it smell-proof and waterproof, which, like I said before, it's a great feature of this vaporizer. I would highly recommend both of these vaporizers to anyone that is looking for a powerful vaporizer that produces amazing vapor clouds and has some accessories where you can also use concentrates. Okay, so let's do the comparison between the vapor quality of both of these vaporizers. They're both set at their highest temperature, the V5 Nano at 230 degrees Celsius and the AirVape X at 220 degrees Celsius. Let's start with the V5 Nano. And now for the AirVape X. Personally, guys, I love both of these vaporizers for different reasons. However, if I had to pick one, I would definitely go with the V5 Nano for various reasons. Personally, I love the fact that it has the glass mouthpiece, which to me is an amazing feature on any vaporizer. It comes with that funnel, which is great for loading, and it also comes with the fact that you can attach the mouthpiece underneath, which I think is a big plus for portability. So if I had to have my pick, my favorite is definitely the V5 Nano. What do you guys think? Leave your feedback below in the comments section. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this comparison and review helpful. If you have any one of these two vaporizers, please leave your comments below. Let us know which one is your favorite. Do you prefer the AirVape X or do you prefer the V5 Nano? We would love to hear what you think. Also, subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more vaporizer reviews coming out for you guys. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy your AirVape X and your V5 Nano.